everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the Crew. I'm Rebecca, and today we have a new Dollar Tree video for you guys to show what's new and popular restocked items at the Dollar Tree for November 22nd, 2022. So let's go shopping. We'll first start over in apparel and accessories. There wasn't a whole lot new over in that section since Friday. They did restock their slippers. They have them in pink, gray, and black. They have them in small, medium, large, and extra large, which was nice to see that they added a size. They also had their Juncture brand gloves with a decorative pattern on top in 4 different colors and some new eyeglass cords. So these are the ones that look braided. They almost look like those old time like fashion, like friendship bracelets that they sell. Really pretty designs and colors. And these are hanging on a plastic strip near the eyeglass corrective tools that they sell in the little kits. They also had some new cosmetic bags in black with gold and white with gold. And they have a little tassel in gold at the top. Some new socks for men. They've got the buffalo plaid and the deer, just in time for the holidays. Now for the arts and crafts, they have some more of the boho signs that we've been seeing the last few weeks. So they've restocked these. These were stocked over the summer. They've got that 3D element on top that's raised off of the back of the circle. And I believe the circle is about a 10-inch circle. And then you've got that design element on top there. They also stocked the gnomes, and this time they have a little girl, as you could see, with some 3D effects. They've got a restock of the large craft boards and some more gemstone stickers. They've got the stars in with the gold and silver. I also found some new iron-on transfers. They had Total Diva with the lips in red, the guitar with the 3 stars. And then in silver, they had this one that says, let the music play with the headphones. And then Rockstar, it's got a cassette tape, a crown, and angel wings. In gold, they've got all these different flowers and butterflies. The cheetah pattern. And then they had the constellations and moons. And then the flames that say rock and roll. And the sheet here with the gold butterflies. The last one I found was this one. It says Roller Girl, and it's got the roller skate in the center. I also found some new fabric squares from Crafter Square. They had this whole box of blue and white patterns. Really pretty. They've got the gingham. And then this plaid pattern here in the blue and white. The larger buffalo plaid. And then the triangles. And the last one here is the dark blue with the white stripes. They restocked the chalkboard and dry erase board houses. And then I found these beaded wreaths. So pretty. They're in a wire wreath form, and they are 10 inches in diameter. Over in health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetics first. So they restocked the lip balm that is the sugar cookie, peppermint, vanilla bean, sweater weather, orange creamsicle, and cranberry cheers. They also had some more of the hard candy cosmetics, which they had out a few months ago. They've got them in the fair to light and medium to dark skin tones. So you've got your custom color cream palettes for correcting skin tones. You've also got the finishing palette and then the baked powder. There's the color corrector in the purple, the illuminating drops, and then the color wonder corrector. I also found the LA Colors brow pencils with the spoolie at the end. You can get them in dark blonde, medium brown, dark brown, and black. Now for the hair care, they've got these Scunchie brand scrunchies with the bows on the end. They're so pretty. They've got like an eggplant purple, this really pretty sage green. And then there's the light tan, almost like a khaki color, and the light blue. So here's all 4 of them together. And then the Sherpa headbands, I showed you guys these a few weeks ago. They've got the different colors. They've got the dark brown. You could also get pink, the black, and the white. I hadn't seen the pink one before, I believe, so I wanted to make sure you guys knew all of them that were there that was available. Over in pharmacy and personal care, they're putting out more of their last minute gifts. They've got their manicure sets. You get 6 pieces, and they have those in the pink, blue, or purple. And then they've got the Sassy Chic manicure kits, and they have some new designs and colors out. There's also the diamond emery boards. You get 10 in a pack. Or you can get the diamond boards for like buffing and filing. There's the Sassy Chic metal nail files. You could get 4 in that pack. And there's the Cosmetics compact mirror. They've got this new one out with the floral design on the cover. For fun finds this week, they had quite a few new things. They've got the last minute gifts. It looks like kind of like an owl. And they've had these the last few years, but they've got it in the pink, blue, and purple. And what I noticed this year is they have added a kind of like a penny bank to it, so you could add coins to the back to make it heavy, to help it not tip over when you put your phone on it. And it's got the little trap door on the bottom, so you can get the money back out when you like. So they turned it into a little piggy bank here. There are these new cards with a lip gloss and some snap clips. They have the LOL dolls, the Trolls World Tour, JoJo Siwa, and then some Barbie color reveal accessory pack. So this is the backpack, and you don't know what color it's going to be when you get it, but it comes in 5 different colors. They had some more of the disco lights and then the Kitten Cafe bracelets. There are 4 different colors of bracelets. You just unravel, you braid it, and then tie it off, and then you put the little charm on it, and it becomes a bracelet. So they've got like a mint green, pink, there's the purple, and the blue. And now for home decor. They restocked the votives with the gold bottoms. They have them in red, green, blue, and amber. They've also got the decorative hooks restocked. They come in the gold, the white, and blue. I found these new signs. These are in the last minute gift ideas. This one says show grace. Here's a view of it from the back. And then from the sides, you can see how thick the frame is. There's also this one that says relax your home. Come gather at our table. Keep life simple. And let's stay home. They also had this framed art with the pom-poms inside. It says, hello, llama. No drama. No problema. There are 3 of those. The candle holders, they have those restocked in the gold and the black. And now for the office, library, and teaching tree, they have their Zebra brand metallic pens in gold, silver, purple, blue, pink, and green. They actually write on the dark color papers. They also have a ton of ballpoint pens, highlighters, colored pencils, and felt tip pens. There's quite a few different designs and colors of those pens. There's these new kindness links by the Teaching Tree brand. So there's 10 sheets. They're 5 by 7 inches. You just pull them apart and you write down what the act of kindness is and make a chain. They have some new ready boards out. They've restocked these at every single store I was at. They come now in pink, black, and white. And then they had the glue sticks with the little characters on top restocked as well. They usually put these out in the spring. Over in housewares, they've got the essential oils by Airwick for the plugins. So you've got the papaya and fresh linen scents. Also, they restocked all of their wire baskets. In kitchen and pantry, they had these new Pure Cake Hydrate water drop-ins. They're 5 calories, 7 electrolytes, and you get 6 packs in each box. There's also these new water cups out in gray, red, and blue. Here's a view of the top. And some melamine plates. They have the red. These are full-size dinner plates, and they also have them in white. I found these new batter bowls. They have them in blue, gray, and red. As you can see, it's got the pour spout on the side. It's a nice large mixing bowl as well. And they come in the 3 different colors. Now for the party supplies, they had some new packs of tissue paper out. I just love these ones with the flowers on them. They've got the pink daisies, and then you've got the kind of like light peach colored daisies here. The vase fillers, they have the new packs out for weddings with the white and gold or the silver and white. You get 110 different size foam beads in each pack. The balloon sticks they've restocked, so they've got either the 12 pack or the 4 pack. As you can see side by side, the size of the poles really aren't that much different. They also have the 100 count balloon clips, the balloon clip flowers. They have the balloon arch strip, and then the glue dots. So those are all restocked this week. Over in the pet care, I showed you guys last week, they're starting to put out these new little fleece blankets for pets. They've got the plaid, the gray with the paw prints on it, and then there's a brown one. It's got paw prints and some dog food bowls all over it, and they have them in these little bins or hanging. It just depends on which store you're at. Now for the seasonal items, they had these new charger plates out in silver with the snowflake pattern on them. Really pretty. It matches the towel set that they have with the different plates as well. They've got the dinner plate, a salad plate, a bowl. They have the water glass, the wine glasses, so quite a bit. Then I found these little light up trees. They're gold, and it's got that battery operated light at the bottom. They also have a star, and those are hanging on the plastic strips in the aisle with the seasonal items. As you can see, you just pull out the little tab and then you can turn the light on. So the star is enclosed, but the tree is actually open. It's double-sided. Then they have their light up angels back in. They change colors as they go through the light cycles. They have some more of the 5 LED icicle lights, and then the battery operated LED lights in different colors. So you've got the red. They also have green. They have white or clear, the blue, and the green. You can put 2 AA batteries in those. There's the light up LED necklaces with the old time fashion Christmas lights. You get 6 bulbs on the necklace. They had some more bottle brush trees and some new colors. They have a really pretty green. It was almost like a teal color, purple, pink, and then the red was more of like a cranberry. And then they've got the wood discs on the bottom for the stands. Some new placemats. These are the double-sided placemats that are the red, green, and gold. Then they had a tapestry placemat. Those are 13 by 18 inches. You can get the little red truck with presents in the back with a snowy scene. And then they have this one, the buffalo plaid. It says joy, or the buffalo plaid and the white trees that say Merry Christmas. They had some new towels that say wishing you Merry Christmas with the wagon filled with like Christmas tree and presents. You can get the hot pad holder. Also, they had the pot holders, or the oven mitt, I should say. For Valentine's Day, they had these 2 signs out. Home is where the heart is. That's white with a red border. It says love never fails. And then bless your heart in the pink. And then the border around it is white. And it also says love never fails. They had these out last year as well. And now for the Dollar Tree Plus items, which are $3 or $5. They've got these bottle covers for wine bottles. There's a snowman, a Christmas tree, a Santa, and a reindeer. Those are only $3 each. They're so well made and so decorative with a lot of details. I think they're really worth $5. They were really pretty. They also had some fleece blankets that were rolled for $5 with a bunch of different Christmas colors and patterns like snowflakes, plaid, and different Christmas sayings like Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. There's also the metal gnomes. They are $3. It's kind of like a bobblehead. There's the LED lanterns in the red, white, and black. It's got some decorative pine cones, pine needles, and berries at the top. The leaning signs that say home for the holidays in the red and black buffalo plaid, and some felt jumbo ribbon in the dark blue, light blue, white, dark green, light green, and 2 different shades of red. The gnomes with the adjustable legs, some berry wreaths, the little tree here with on top of the red car. And then they also have these tinsel trees that are $5 that light up. They're 14 by 24 inches. As you can see, it's got the lights already attached. You can get those in the white, blue, or pink. Then there were these bell napkin rings. You can get those in gold or silver. You get 4 in a pack for $3. And then they had the Christmas apron for $5. It's red with the white polka dots. It's got 2 ties, one at the neck and one at the waist. It even has a pocket. They have some new pillows that are double-sided, the cozy up with the sweater pattern on the back. And then these 2 metal signs that are about 24 inches long. They say peace on earth and jingle all the way, and those are $5 each. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and check out some of our other videos that I think you might enjoy. Have a great day, everyone, and I hope you have a happy holiday this week. I'll see you guys on Thursday for our craft DIY video and Friday for our next Dollar Tree video. Have a great day, everyone.